Is Expensify a Visa card? A question that's probably popped up in your mind if you've recently dived into the world of expense management. Let's break it down. Expensify, at its core, is a powerful expense management software. It's designed to streamline the process of submitting, approving, and reimbursing expenses. It's a tool that automates a lot of the tedious tasks associated with managing business expenses. The role of payment cards. Now, let's talk about payment cards. These are physical or virtual cards that you can use to make purchases. They're issued by financial institutions and payment networks like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Expensify and payment cards, a misconception. So, does Expensify issue its own Visa card? The short answer is no. Expensify itself isn't a financial institution. It doesn't have the authority to issue payment cards. How Expensify integrates with payment cards. However, Expensify can seamlessly integrate with various payment cards, including those issued by Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. When you make a purchase with one of these cards, the transaction data is automatically captured by Expensify. This data can then be used to create expense reports, track spending, and automate reimbursements. The benefits of using Expensify with a payment card. Automated expense reporting, no more manual data entry. Expensify automatically pulls transaction data from your card, saving you time and effort. Real-time tracking, keep an eye on your spending habits with real-time expense tracking. Simplified reimbursements, streamline the reimbursement process with automated workflows and direct deposit options. Enhanced security, benefit from the security features of your payment card and Expensify's robust security measures. While Expensify itself isn't a Visa card, it's a powerful tool that can work in conjunction with your existing payment cards to simplify expense management. By understanding the distinction between the two, you can maximize the benefits of both. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.